Shruti.
I am Shalini.
I'm a student of IIM Indore PGP 2 batch, and we are here to share our experiences about the recent study competition we participated in. That was Business Line on Campus, organized by Hindu, and it was sponsored by iDesign. So we came across this competition through our professor Srinivas Gunta. So I approached Shalini and we teamed up to work upon it together.
So this case study competition saw participation from around 50 B schools across India, and those included I am in Ahmedabad, I am Bangalore, SIBM, and many such B schools. So we had a really challenging case in terms of the fact that the case was a real-time case. It was regarding the merger of Vedanta and K in India Energy merger, and we had to get into the shoes of a mutual fund manager and analyze the case and vote for or against the merger. So we had to do a lot of financial calculations.
Mapping of synergies, and actually we need to decide upon the fact that whether we want to go for the merger or not. So that was the main aspect of the thing.
Yeah, and after all those analysis, astonishingly, when we saw the case analysis by the other B schools, we found that we were the only ones who had actually rejected the
best part that emerged out of it was when the news about this, our winning of the competition was broken by a professor, Rishikesh Krishnan. So we were completely thrilled to find that out, because I think I was busy attending my classes and Shalini was sleeping in her room. So when we saw this Facebook post that was shared with us, so that was a really great experience, and really motivated us, and it made us really feel proud of the fact that we were the winners of the competition.
Yeah, actually before us the whole campus knew that I had won the case. So so our overall experience was really good, and we also encourage our future batches, the upcoming PGP ones who will become PGP 2, to compete in such cases, because these are very rare opportunities where you get to work on real-time cases.
And plus, if I talk about my experience, we were like very casual about it. So we approached, and it was just like a normal case for us, and we went through all the analysis ourselves. And we really would like to even thank our faculty for helping us and guiding us throughout. And obviously, it was a great experience for us.
Yeah. So that's about it. Thank you.
Thank you.